for a suit. You have a big occasion coming up, and okay, I see, I see. So, could you please tell me your name and surname? Okay, and what what time is your appointment? Who did you speak to? Okay. Okay. Okay, now you can go to that room over there. Ziyisihlanu. Shwamapi nanesixhenxe. Gqibile ke ngoku ukumesharisha. Ndifuna ukulula umlenze. Ndifuna ukulula umlenze wakho ngapha, ulula umlenze wanga ngapha. Ndibona uba imilenze yakho iyalingana sokwazi ukudibanisa nemilenze yakho. Qonda loo nto. Awuzemde, awuzemde. Indlela lo mde ngayo sanga. Ndinomde kangaka. Okay, now I'm just gonna measure your legs. Measure your two legs. Your two legs. But before I measure your two legs, I just want you to stand up straight, okay? Straight. Don't bend your knees, just keep them straight. Don't lean or squat. Just stand up straight, okay? Okay. Oh my goodness, you're so tall. You are so tall. You're so tall. I had no idea. So tall. Let me just see. Enyes and benes and that. One, two, three. So tall. Umde ngendlela engummangaliso. Ave umde. Okay. Now I will need to use some material so that I can just see which color matches you perfectly. Is that okay? Okay, cool. So tell me, out of all the colors we have, like, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite color so that we can... Oh, okay. So you already given a theme color, and that color is black, so we have to work with black. Okay. Okay. We can definitely do that. We can work with black. Okay. I have black here with me. Just, you're gonna look perfect. You're gonna look amazing. Then ndikubonise yona ngomphi umbala oqondayo uba hayi uyakufanela. Oh, isenixelele uba nisenxibe ntoni, umbala onjani. Oh, okay. Kuthiwe ninxibe umphi umbala? Nixele uba ninxibe umbala omnyama. Hayi ke xa nixelele uba ninxibe umbala omnyama ndiza kubonisa into emnyama nam apha nayo seyikhona apha kum. I have this like black color with me. Just gonna just wanna see. I just wanna see. Okay, okay. This looks perfect. Many people probably wondering what the hell is that. Okay. Yeah, it covers your boobs. That's what it does. That's what it does. I didn't have any colors to show you guys. I was like, you know what, I'm just grab anything that's in front of me right now, and I saw this. But for now, it's for you. Your color for your your black, for a black suit. So we're gonna be using this color, and I need to pin you. And I wanna use different pins to pin you. I'll be using different pins to pin you. I have like a number of pins, and I'll be using these different pins to pin you, okay? I'll be using these different pins to pin you. Let's see. I wanna pin you. I wanna pin you now, okay? I can sebenzisa yonke le mibala. Ukuhlanganisa yonke le mpahla eqaleyo kambe nansi ke. Okay. Musukushukuma va. Musukushukuma. Ndifuna ukuqosha ngazo ne. Xa ungashukumi zihamba kakuhle lonke le nto. Ungashukumanga, okay. Xa ungashukumanga ndifuna ukudibanisa le ndawo idibane naphaya. Just wanna this part just match that side. Let's just hold on a minute. Let me pin this side. Okay. There we go. Already pinned. Okay. Over here, let's just pin here. There you go. And over here, just from here up there. Let's pin you. There we go. Already pinned. Now that you are pinned, let's just try to see the length of all the pinned areas and take it from there, okay? Njengoba ke sendikuhlanganisile yonke loo nto ndazi uba ndizawude kukuthini mna ngesiXhosa. Njengoba ndikuhlanganisile yonke into ndadibanisa, funa ukuqala ke ngoku uba imanjani into. Ndiyabona phaya, ndiyabona uba okay. Nansi nalapha kulicala, njonge nakweli kwecala. Okay, mandiyekude. Okay, ndiyabona ke ngoku. Okay. Oh, ndiyabona ke sam. Asikuhlabanga phofu, khasikuxhove ezi pin ndisifakileyo. Ima ke ngoku ndisikhuphe kancinci. Masithemba khawuxhove ke ne. Khawuxhove kandide. Okay, masithembe kanjalo. So let me just take out the pens. Hopefully they didn't pinch you, okay? Did they? I have no idea. They didn't poke you. Hopefully they didn't poke you. Okay, let me check out this one. Don't move. I need to sew this part and that part together. Okay, I'll need this. Because I need to sew this part. Okay, just go up and this part come amazing, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, perfect, perfection. You are perfect. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay. Are you seeing yourself in the mirror? You can see yourself, right? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know. Okay. Oh, that side. Oh, that's just a collar. You can just, you know, fold it up like that. Perfect. You love it, right? You look great. I'm so jealous. You look absolutely perfect, gorgeous, absolutely lovely. And now you can take them off. Let's take off the pants. Let's take off the blazer as well. Take it off, take it off. Sijonga besibili nonxalela uyasithanda na? Ngabe uyasithanda? Uyayithanda yonke into enxibileyo, yonke into unwabile ngayo. Akho nto ufuna ndiyidlongise. Oh, utsho lena. Hayi, kusemqaleni akho lona uyayigoba kanje kaloku. Uyigobe, xa uyigobile ube kanje. Yaqonda ifane ibima kanjalo kwayona. Unwabile ke ngendlela iphume ngayo. Hayi, nam ndonwabile ke sanqa. Awusemhle. Yhu, uzawuba mhle kulo mcimbi uya kuyo ndakuxelela va. Ke ngoku ndidinga ukukhulula le bhulukhwe yakho nale bhatyi uyinxibileyo kunye nentulubhatyi. Ya, masikhulule ke ngoku xhwele masibona unwabile ngayo yonke into. Mandikhulule ke le bhulukhwe nantsi. Khulula le bhulukhwe. Khulula nebhatyi. Nentulubhatyi kananjalo. Uzoba mhle ndakuxelela kulo mcimbi uya kuyo. You're gonna look absolutely amazing at the event that you are going to. And now I had memorized all the measurements that I've taken. I just need to jot them down before you go.